Right, let's see if I can show you this. I'm using these Aldi Workzone bits. Which one am I using then? Because there's none missing. Oh, I am, yeah. Number 5mm. But look, if you think about these, I haven't got any woodworking ones. But if you buy these, you get 2 3s. No, you get 3 3mm, 2 3.5mm, 2 4mm, a 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, 8, 10.
Well, it would have been nice to tell you that these drills are brilliant, but I can't because they're not. I buy a lot of Aldi stuff and it's usually good value for money, but in this case I would have been better off going to B&Q and getting some of theirs. Even their cheaper ones must be better than these. And why the hell would anybody want 3 3mm and 2 3.5s and 2 4s? You're drilling into wood at the end of the day, so unless you hit a nail they should last you for ages and ages. So I'm afraid I can't recommend these. If you need wood drills, go to B&Q or somewhere, shop round, but don't get these.